In the year 2074, Neo-Arcadia unveiled its most audacious public space intervention, the Mycelium Skybridge. At first glance, the structure resembles a lattice of ivory veins stretched between two high-rise eco-towers, but its true nature is far more radical. It is a living organism, cultivated from a genetically engineered strain of Pleurotus austratus designed to harden while remaining flexible. Form: the Skybridge's morphology is dictated by both engineering calculus and fungal growth patterns. Architects prescribed a parametric surface that anticipates the Mycelium-Mycelium's natural tendency to fill space with minimal resistance. The bridge's cross-section is a tapered, honeycomb-like rib system, each rib a dense bundle of hyphae that mineralize in situ through a symbiotic relationship with embedded mycorrhizal bacteria. Over a growth period of 12 months, the mycelium extends, adheres, and self-reinforces, effectively printing itself into the predetermined geometry. The finished form is a translucent, pearlescent canopy that captures daylight, diffusing it like a natural skylight. Functionally, the Skybridge provides a pedestrian conduit that is self-maintaining. The living material continuously recycles carbon, absorbs pollutants, and heals microfractures through hyphal regeneration. Integrated biosensors monitor tensile stress and humidity, feeding data back to the civic biogrid which modulates ambient humidity to optimize growth rates. At night, the mycelium's bioluminescent pathways, engineered via luciferase genes, emit a soft, amber glow, eliminating the need for conventional lighting and reducing the city's energy footprint. Aesthetically, the bridge embodies the solarpunk ethos of harmony between technology and ecology. Its organic lattice blurs the boundary between built and natural environments, evoking the delicate architecture of coral reefs or fungal forests. The bioluminescent strands pulse in response to foot traffic, creating a living rhythm that turns commuters into participants in a kinetic, ever-evolving artwork. The Skybridge is not merely a conduit, it is a statement that infrastructure can grow, adapt, and beautify alongside its urban hosts. By marrying parametric design with synthetic biology, Neo-Arcadia's Mycelium Skybridge redefines what bridges can be: living, breathing arteries that elevate both people and the planet.